Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Camelbak Mule rucksack. This is the rucksack that I use for cycling. The rucksack is quite small, but it can fit a lot in it if you use it correctly. This is the compartment for the 3-litre hydration bladder. On the bladder itself there's a lip which you put into the hole on the rucksack. The back is really padded and soft to wear. I usually use this compartment when I can't be bothered to open up the zips, or they're a bit too full. The strap for the sides of the rucksack is really long and I've never needed to undo it. It's about half a metre long. Here is what I call the snack compartment, as I usually put snacks in it, but it's the perfect size for tools and or snacks. As you can see in here is the snack compartment, and further down it's a bigger section, where you can carry your tools, your phone or spare batteries. Maybe even if you wanted to have a party you could carry a speaker. Here is another compartment where it has a mesh bit at the bottom and a zip further at the top. Thank you for watching my review on the Camelbak Mule rucksack. Make sure you like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.